Hello students. In previous videos we have learned about the multiple and the factors. In this video I will tell you about the HCF and LCM. HCF highest common factor. HCF is highest common factor. HCF of any two or more number is the number by which the all number will be divided completely. So see, there are three methods to find the HCF of two or more numbers. First is prime factorization method, second is common division, third is division method. So one by one we will discuss all the method. Let's learn the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, you all have learned the prime factorization of number in the previous videos. So what we will do is, first we will find the prime factors of all these numbers: 70, 2, 100, 8, 180. Now see, let's start from 72. 72 is divided by 2. So first we will divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. Again it is dividing by 2. So we will divide by 2. 2 18s are. Again it is divided by 2. 2. Now it is not divided by 3. We will divide it by. It is not dividing by 2. We will divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now 72, all these are the prime factorization of 72. Now we will find the prime factorization of 108. It is dividing by 2. We will divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. Now it is dividing by 3. 3 9s are. It is dividing by 3. Then 3 1s are. Now 180. 180 is dividing by 2. 2 9s are, then 0 as it is. 2 4s are 8. 1 is left. 2 5s are 10. Now it is dividing by 3. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are. Now it is dividing by 3. Now 5 will be divided by 5. Now next step is, this step you all are aware of it. Now next step is, what we will do is, we will write all the factorization of the numbers 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now the next number is 108 is equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now 180, that is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. The next step what we will do is, we have to make the pair of number. Let's check. See, 2 is in all the numbers, so we will make a pair. Again 2 is in all the numbers, we will make the pair. Now 2 is not in all the numbers. Now see, 3 is in all the numbers, so we will make the pair of 3. Now again 1 3 is in all the numbers, 1 1 1. So this is the 2 3 and this is the third 3. So what we will do is, see, the number we have made the pair, we will multiply it by once. HCF of these number will be 2, then multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. So see, the pair I have made, it will be count as 1 1 1 1 2 1, then it will be count as 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So 36 will be the HCF. So 36 will be the HCF, and 36 is the number by which these all number will be divided. 36 divide 72, remainder will be 0. 72 divide 36, remainder will be 0. 36, when we divide 108 by 36, remainder will be 0. When we will divide 180 by 36, remainder will be 0. This method is called prime factorization method. Next is common division. Common division, let's learn the common division method. See, common division is like the prime factorization method only, but the difference is all the numbers we will write together. Let's learn it. See, what I will do is I will write all the numbers together: 84, 120 and 138. Now see, 84, 120, 138 we will write together. Now all the numbers we have to check by which all the numbers will be divided. So all the numbers are dividing by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 6s are, then 0 as it is, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are. Now see, all are dividing by 3. This number is dividing by 2, this number is dividing by 2, but this number is not dividing by 2, so we will not divide by 2. We have to check the all 3 numbers should be divided by only one number. So 3 1s are 3, then 3 4s are 12, 3 20s are, 3 2s are 6, and 3 3s are 9. So what we will do is, now see, 14, 20 and 23. 14 and 20 is dividing by 2, but 23 is not dividing by any number. So what will be the HCF? So HCF will be 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. So HCF of 84, 120 and 138 will be 6. These all 3 numbers will be divided by 6. This is called the common division method. This is same like the prime factorization, but all the numbers we have to write together. To make all the numbers we have to write together, and then we have to find the prime factorization. But we have to keep in mind that all 3 numbers, if there is 2 numbers, so all 2 numbers should be divided by the single table. If there are 3 numbers, if there are 4 numbers, so all numbers should be divided by only one number. It is not there 3 numbers are dividing and the remaining one is not dividing, so we will not divide. We have to divide all 3 numbers together. This is called common division method. The next method is division method. Division method, let's learn it, how to find the HCF by division method. Now see, here are 2 numbers. What we will do is, we will write the smaller number as divisor and the bigger number as dividend. Now 399 ones are 399. So now 7 minus 9 we cannot do, we will take the carry. 17 minus 9, 8. Now 12 is left. 12 minus 9 is 3. And what is here? 3 minus 3 is 0. What we will do is, now we will divide it by, now the remainder is here. Now remainder will be the new divisor and this will be the new dividend. We will take 399 here. Now 399 ones are 399, we will divide by 38. 38 ones are 38. 1 is here. Now we will take the 9. Now 19 is the remainder. What we will do is, we will take this number here, that is 38. 19 2s are 38. So the last divisor, which will be the last divisor, that will be the HCF. So HCF of 399 and 437 will be 19. What we have to do is, see, smaller number we will take as divisor and the dividend will be the bigger number. We will divide it by the smaller number. Now it is 1s 399. After getting it subtract, we have got 38 remainder. So remainder will be as it is here. We will make another division sign and we will take 399 here. After that, again we will divide it by this number. Here it will be 0 because we have taken one digit and it is not further dividing. So now 19 is the remainder and 38 will be here. Now we will divide 38 by 19. 19 to the 38. Now which is the last divisor? That is 19. So 19 will be the HCF. If it is of 3 digit, how we will do this? Let's learn it. That was of 2 digit. See, take the two numbers. Which is the bigger number? 465. Keep it aside. Take the two numbers. 434 will be divided by 403. Now 403 ones are 403. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus. Now which number we will take? 403. Now 31 ones are 31. Now 9 will be here. Now we will take the 3. 3s are 93. Now this is the number which is the last dividend. What we will do is we will divide 465 by 31. Now 31 ones are 31. That is 6 minus 1 is 5. 1. Then 55. After that 31 5s are 155. Then will be, it is divided completely. Now this HCF will be 31. What we have to do is bigger number, this is the bigger number, keep it aside. Take the other two numbers, take the rest two numbers. Smaller number will be divisor and bigger number will be, among two numbers, bigger number will be the dividend. After that we will divide as it is, that we have done in two numbers. 31 is the HCF of these two numbers. So we will divide the third number by the same number, that is 31. After that it is dividing completely. If suppose it is not dividing here, so suppose 15 is left, so 15, after that it is not dividing by 31, so we will divide 31 also by this number. So by 15, 31 will be divided by 15 till the time the remainder is 0. Where the remainder will be 0, that divisor will be the HCF. Now the next is LCM. LCM, as the same way, LCM is lowest common multiples. Means LCM are the number of two or more numbers for which the LCM of any two or more number will be the multiple of the given number. Let's find there are two methods, that is, one is prime factorization, second one is common division. But division method we can only find the HCF of number, LCM of number we cannot find by division method. Remaining, for example, I have taken here prime factorization method. 60 and 75 I have taken. So what we will do is we will find the first prime factors of these numbers, 60 and 75. 60 we will divide it by 2. 30s are, now again divide by 2. 15s are, now it is dividing by 3. 3 5s are, now it is dividing by 5 ones are. Now see, It is dividing by 2? No, it is not dividing by 2 because this is odd number. So it is dividing by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now it is dividing by 5. 5 5s are, again it is dividing by 5. As we have written the prime factorization of number in the HCF, in the same way we will write all the numbers. 60 is equals to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Now 75. 75 is equals to 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. Now the next step will be the same. We will make the pair. Now 2 is in these number, but this is not in the 75. 5, we will make the pair. Now 3 is here, so 3 also we will make the pair. Now we will find the LCM. There is only one difference between the LCM and HCF. See, in HCF what we were doing is we are multiplying only the paired numbers, but in LCM what we will do is we will multiply the paired number and rest of the numbers also which is left. Now 5, 3 is paired, multiply by 5 is paired. Now which number is left? 2 and 2 times left, so multiply by 2 and 5 is left, so we will multiply all the numbers. What we have to do is we have to take once only those number which are paired, but the number which is left, like 2 is left, it is not paired, it is not paired, it is not paired, so we will take these number also. So 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60, 65s are 300. So 300 will be the LCM of 60 and 75. This method is called prime factorization method. Now the next method is common division. Common division, as we have done in the HCF, in the same way we will do in the LCM also. But there is one difference, I will tell you. 60, then 72. Now all are the even number, so we will divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 30s are 2 36. Again it is dividing by 2. 2 9s are 2 15s are. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are. Now see, 9, 15 and 18 all are dividing by 3. We will divide it by 3. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are, now 3 6 are. Now 3 and 6, these two numbers are dividing. In HCF what we were doing is we were doing only the division if all three numbers are dividing, but in LCM if the two number is dividing, we can divide. 3 and 6 both are dividing by 3. 3 1s are 5 as it is, then 3 2s are. Now 5 and 2 is left. Now these three numbers are not dividing by any number. What we will do is LCM of these number will be, we will multiply all these numbers. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, and the number which is left. Which number is left now? 5 and 2. The number which will be downside, that also we will multiply. 2 multiply by 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 62s are 120, 123s are 360. So 360 will be the LCM of 36, 60 and 72. Now this is the method to find common division, prime factorization. These two method is for both HCF and LCM, but division method is only for the HCF only. I hope you all have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you all of you for paying attention. Stay home, stay safe.